Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Today, we will delve into ACL repairs. Complete tears involving the substance of the ACL rarely heal, making ACL reconstruction the gold standard of treatment. However, the ACL itself is intact in the case of this patient, who has a tibial eminence avulsion fracture. Primary repair is most successful when avulsion occurs at either the femoral or tibial ACL attachment. Additionally, bony avulsion of the distal ACL can be treated successfully with direct bone-to-bone fixation. It's important to note that primary repairs for mid-substance ACL tears are frequently unsuccessful and are generally not recommended. The treatment principles for ACL injuries are based on the amount and pattern of fracture displacement. Although controversial, treating displaced fractures, type 3, comminuted fractures, type 4, and patterns where a closed reduction does not fully reduce the fragment is more amenable to arthroscopic evaluation and anatomic reduction with internal fixation. Step-by-step guide to arthroscopic reduction and internal fixation of tibial eminence fractures. Provisional fixation. Begin with the provisional fixation of the tibial eminence fracture using a percutaneous K-wire while expanding the view for suture passage and retrieval through the ACL in preparation for fixation. Drilling and suture passage. Next, drill a tibial tunnel in a parallel fashion through the tibial eminence fracture fragment. The suture is passed from the knee down through the tibial tunnel in preparation for repair. Final drilling and suture shuttling. Perform transtibial drilling through the fracture fragment in the ACL, followed by final suture shuttling and the repair of the tibial eminence fracture. A temporary K-wire fixation facilitates transtibial drilling without a loss of reduction. Before tying, the surgeon must remove all soft tissue from the anterior tibia. For example, in this case, the anterior intermeniscal ligament is positioned anterior and inferior to the fragment. When the fracture fragment is elevated, this ligament can encroach beneath it, potentially hindering proper reduction and subsequent healing. Finally, this image represents the ACL 3 years post-repair, showing a normal ACL and visible tibial tunnel. In conclusion, arthroscopic reduction with suture fixation has advanced to become the preferred method of treatment for displaced or comminuted avulsion fractures of the tibial eminence. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Your support is greatly appreciated.